Hi, my name is Rajesh. I work for the Care Health Insurance. It's an insurance company where you get the insurance for the group people. We have two kind of categories here. Like we give you for the individual policy and we give for the group policy. Example, like if you have a company where you're working, like suppose like 10 people are working, the company is supposed to give the policy for each and every member. So in that category, we fall in that and we give the policies for all the companies, and we have almost like 10,000 plus network hospitals entered in Pan India, and we have the claim ratio settlement for the group policies almost like 97.8% where we're doing it, and it's all paperless. We don't need to come to the office. It's completely paperless. We have an app for that. We have all online submissions. It's very easy access to do it for all the members. It's really good. Actually, it's a good platform. Actually, we are getting a number of queries since for morning. We started just now 1 hour back itself. We are getting very good feedback. Let's hope for the best. We're just waiting for 2 more days. Actually, it's a big days again tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We're just waiting for that. Thank you so much, ma'am.